Will heat up for the summer months, and pet owners need to be mindful about signs of hypothermia.
And Dr. Jill is joining us live from Posh Puppy Boutique in Rockland with some tips on how to keep our pets cool in these summer months. You've got some fun things out there, Dr. Jill.
Yeah, look at this great stuff. I'm at the Posh Puppy Boutique in Rockland, and they have some really cool stuff for the summer months. They have this great fan that you could put right on your crate, and it cools your pet down. I love that idea because dogs get really hot in small spaces. And then, you know, you're sitting at the river, you're cracking a beer open, and what better thing to have than a bottle of beer for your pet? Can you believe it?
That's so cute.
Isn't that great? It's actually healthy, too. I read the ingredients. There's actually glucosamine in there for your older pets, too.
Nice.
And then look at these cool treats. You put them in the freezer, you pop them out, the pets get to lick them, it cools them off. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a great creative idea. So is that something that would be good for cats, too, or those are strictly treats for the doggies?
Mostly for dogs right now. I'm not sure if they have cat treats, but I'm sure they're out there. She has a great store online. Go online and just check out all of thousands of items online.
And I saw a pad that you can actually put on the ground to help keep your pet cool.
Yeah, there's a puppy pad you can put on there. There's one that you can actually microwave and warm. And there's a cooling pad as well that keeps them cool. You could pop it in your freezer, your ice chest, take it with you to the park, wherever you're going, pop it in your backpack. And then I wanted you to check out Diva. This hat has SPF 50 in it to protect their head from the sun. Of course, we had to put a tutu on her. And then this really great cool band. This thing goes in the freezer, and it cools their core body temperature off. You put it around their neck. Isn't that neat?
I think that's really cool. You know, Dr. Jill, I had a question. My dog is a long-haired dog. She's part Bernese Mountain Dog and part Border Collie, and she seeks out like the coldest place in the house, the floors. Would things like that work for her? Because your dog, Diva, has got short hair. Would that also work for a thick-haired dog?
Absolutely. It would be great. Something like this comes in all sizes. So if you put it around your pet's neck, even at nighttime if they're really hot and they're sleeping on the cold floor like you were saying, you know, great thing to put on your pet. It's safe. The little crystals in there are actually non-toxic for your pet, which I want to make sure viewers know that. And there's all sorts of wonderful things here. These raspberry rollover tonic waters, you can freeze those, let them lick them out of the bottle. They're safe. And then they also have these great portable, look at this, it folds up like a credit card. Isn't that cool? It's a little...
That's great.
Isn't that cute?
A little
pink,
water
of
bowl.
course.
A water bowl to go. Okay, really quickly before we let you run, you mentioned SPF, protecting the dogs from the sun. Do we need to worry about our pets getting sunburned out in the heat?
Absolutely. Yes, you bet. Especially the dogs with the pink mucous membranes, pink around their eyes, they are prone to sunburn, so you want to protect your pet.
Yeah, you don't think about that because they have all the hair. All right, Dr. Jill, thank you so much. Diva's looking fabulous.
Yes, she is sporting that tutu.
If you'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Jill, or you would like to follow some other animal pointers from her, you can reach her at 916-989-0738, or just go to her website, drjill.com.
Well, now it's time to check in with Sheldon Orvis, who's in the